How's it going, guys? So today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to fix your P0420 code, which is a catalytic converter code. Let's get to the point. So you're going to need one of these. This is a oxygen sensor spacer. You can buy it on Amazon or eBay. I'll try to have the link down below. You're going to need a tool to remove your oxygen sensor, something like this to remove the sensor if you don't have one of these. Anyway, let's get to the point. Let's go to the bottom of the car. So I got it jacked up. Make sure you have your jack stands on. So this is your catalytic converter. So you got an upstream sensor and you got a downstream sensor. So you can see I already took out the last sensor. So downstream is going to be your last sensor. This is your catalytic converter. You got one sensor up there. You got one here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna screw in the spacer on your oxygen sensor. Basically what we're doing is we're bypassing the code. You're not really fixing it, you're just bypassing it. So it doesn't sense all the your bad catalytic converter flow. You're just lifting up the sensor out from the catalytic converter, so it's not. So you're tricking the ECM. So I already have one in there, but the check engine light came back on. So I'm gonna put another one right here. So it's further away from the catalytic converter. So you're gonna screw two of these there, and then we're gonna plug it back on to the catalytic converter. And then you're gonna reset the light and take it for a test drive, and hopefully that'll fix it. Like I said, this is just a quick fix. This is not a permanent fix. Even though the check engine light won't come back on, that's not really the right way to do it. Yeah, that's it. If this video helped you guys out, please give me a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button. If you got any questions, comment below, guys. Thanks for watching.